today I want to talk about bass design again. And as you can see, here is a kick and a bass line. I don't use the sidechain feature of Signalizer yet for that because I'm comfortable with just putting the oscilloscope on the group of the kick and the bass. Nice and easy. But the thing that I want to talk about today is frequency shifters. Pitching around kicks is often described as unpleasant because it changes the texture of the kick. Using a frequency shifter, however, unless you push it to an extreme, doesn't change the texture of the kick too much. And you just hear that the frequency of the fundamental note changed. You can also pitch it down if you want. But there is also this weird fluctuation in the kick drum now. It's not as stable as it was before. And that makes the entire beat a little bit inconsistent. I don't want to say don't use a frequency shifter or anything, but if you use a frequency shifter, it would be best if you bounce the results into a new track unless you actually want the inconsistency. If you do that, then it's a great tool to retune drums.